In this video we will go over 8 healthy recipes that will help to boost your immune system. Number 1. Blueberry smoothie. Makes 2 servings. The ingredients are 1/2 cup of plain kefir or replace with yogurt, 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, 1 cup of blueberries, 1/2 cup of other berries, blackberries, strawberries, raspberries, etc. 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds, 1 Brazil nut, slice, optional, 4 to 6 ice cubes. Place all the ingredients in the blender in the order listed except for the ice cubes. Pulse a few times, then add 1 ice cube at a time, pulsing 4 to 6 times in between. Blend until smooth and serve. Number 2. Berry Parfait. Makes 1 serving. Ingredients are 1/2 cup of plain yogurt, 1 teaspoon of honey, 1/2 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, 1/2 cup of blueberries, 1/2 cup of blackberries, 1 tablespoon of sunflower seeds. In a bowl, start with the plain yogurt. Add the honey and ground cinnamon on top. Add the berries and seeds. Enjoy. Number 3. Sunflower seed salad. Makes 2 servings. Ingredients are, for the salad, 1 cup of broccoli, cut, 1/2 cup of sunflower seeds, 2 carrots, julienne, 1 red bell pepper, diced, 1 cucumber, diced, 6 cups of spinach. For the dressing, 2/3 cup of olive oil, juice of 1 lemon, 1 garlic clove, minced, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of honey. Salad, toss all the ingredients in a large bowl. Dressing, mix all the ingredients in a mason jar, close the jar, and shake for about 1 minute. Serve dressing on the salad. Number 4. Lentil stew. This delicious lentil recipe is going to get you back on your feet in no time if you are feeling a bit sick. It's also a good recipe to help reduce inflammation in your body. Makes 4 servings. Ingredients are 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 onion, diced, 3 garlic cloves, minced, 1/2 cup of celery, diced, 2 carrots, diced, 1 tablespoon of ginger, minced, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of curry powder, 1/2 teaspoon of cumin powder or seeds, 2.5 cups of vegetable stock, 1 cup of green lentils. Salt and pepper to taste, optional. In a large pot or Dutch oven, sauté onions, garlic, celery, carrots, and ginger in the coconut oil over medium heat for 4 minutes or until onions are soft. Then add the turmeric, curry, and cumin. Stir constantly and sauté for 2 minutes. Add the vegetable stock and lentils. Bring to a boil. Reduce heat, cover, and simmer for 45 minutes, or until lentils are soft. Add the salt and pepper to taste at the end, optional. Number 5. Salmon Kabob. This delicious recipe is perfect to practice mindfulness eating. Makes 4 servings. Ingredients are 1/4 cup of olive oil, juice of 1 lime, zest of 1 lime, 2 garlic cloves, minced, 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons of fresh oregano, a pinch of salt, 3/4 pound salmon, cut into 11 2-inch cubes. 8 skewers, if wood, soak in water for a minimum of 30 seconds before use. Preheat the oven to 375 F in a large bowl, mix all the ingredients except the salmon. Then add the salmon and marinate in the refrigerator for 10 minutes. Once completed, place the salmon on the skewers and place the salmon skewers on a broiler pan. Bake for 10 minutes, turn the skewers halfway, and bake for another 10 minutes. Serve with your favorite vegetables like steamed broccoli or sweet potatoes and rice. Number 6. Lemon baked chicken. A simple recipe for a busy day. Makes 4 servings. Ingredients are: juice of 2 lemons, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of pepper or lemon pepper, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 6 to 8 chicken thighs, boneless and skinless. Preheat the oven at 350 F in a large bowl, mix all ingredients except chicken. Then dip the chicken in the marinade and place on a lightly oiled baking sheet. Pour the remainder of the liquid on the chicken. Bake for 30 minutes or until the chicken is fully cooked. Serve with your favorite vegetable and rice. Snacks can be as easy as fruit, nuts, or vegetables. Here are some of our favorite snack recipes. Number 7. Trail mix. Makes 4 servings. Ingredients are: 2 to 4 Brazil nuts, 1 cup of almonds, 1 cup of sunflower seeds, 1/2 cup of dried dates, no sugar added, 1/2 cup of raisins, 1/2 cup of dried berries, blueberries, goji, or strawberries. Mix and divide into 4 servings. Number 8. Curried chickpeas. Chickpeas are an excellent source of zinc. A cup can give you 25% of your daily intake recommendation. Makes 4 servings. Ingredients are: 1 can, 15 ounces, chickpeas, rinsed and drained, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of curry powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of salt. Preheat the oven at 400 F. Once the chickpeas are rinsed, pat them dry with a paper towel. In a medium bowl, mix the oil with all the spices. Add the chickpeas and stir until well coated. Place the chickpeas on a baking sheet and bake for 40 minutes. Watch once they turn golden, they are ready. Serve immediately for maximum crispiness. In conclusion of this video series, anyone can work at building their immune system and increase their chances of staying healthy during a flu season, pandemic, or when confronted with bacteria. As you have learned, we stand more chances of fighting illness by eating certain foods, maintain a healthy body with exercise, and reduce the stress in our life. You also have the opportunity to improve your sleep, which will help the body fight infection. You will end up having more energy to do the things you love. Keeping your body healthy has many perks. If you can, try to maintain this lifestyle throughout the year, as it will help you build a resilient immune system that can withstand antigens. Not only do you stand more chances of staying healthy, but it also helps you recover faster if you do find yourself ill. Stay safe, stay healthy, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.